In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and remove third-party apps that have access to your Amazon account. Managing your digital presence is incredibly important, especially when third-party applications are involved. These apps often request permissions to access your Amazon account, which means they could have access to your data. It's essential to periodically review which apps have these permissions and, if necessary, revoke them. So, let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First, you'll want to sign in to your Amazon account. Make sure you're using the account where you suspect third-party apps might have access. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Your Account section. This is your central hub for managing account details, orders, and more. Here you'll be looking for a section that may be labeled as Login with Amazon, Apps and Services with Data Access, or Manage Apps and Services. Depending on how Amazon updates their layout, the naming could vary a bit, but these are the most common headings you'll encounter. Once you find and click into the right section, you'll reach a page that lists all the third-party apps and websites you've previously granted access to via Amazon. This list is crucial for monitoring and managing who has your data. Each app listed will often have details about what permissions it has. For instance, it might show that the app can see your name, email, or profile data. It's important to scrutinize these details to better understand what each app can do with your information. If you find any app that you no longer use or don't recognize, it's a good idea to remove it. Generally, there will be an option labeled Remove or Revoke Access. Clicking this will effectively cut off the app's connection, preventing it from accessing your Amazon account in the future. This is a quick and effective way to enhance your digital security. A word of caution, though. Removing an app's access generally stops further updates or data exchanges, but it may not guarantee that the app has deleted any information it had already received. This is an important consideration if any sensitive data was involved. Therefore, if you're concerned about what an app did with your data, you may want to contact the app's support team directly for more assurances. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to review and manage third-party apps connected to your Amazon account. Making this a regular habit can significantly bolster your online privacy and peace of mind. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to revisit this process occasionally to ensure your digital presence remains secure. Thank you for joining me today, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials like this one.